Replace these 5 habits and you will become unstoppable in life. Number 1. Replace overthinking with action. By thinking too much, you create fake scenarios that don't exist. By taking action, you discover things that will take you to another level and make you unstoppable. Number 2. Replace blame with responsibility. Take responsibility for your actions and consequences. You will increase self-awareness, confidence, and self-esteem. Number 3. Replace unproductive digital and TV consumption with books. Books help us to gather newer ideas, enhance knowledge, stimulate creativity, foster empathy, and provide a valuable source of information and wisdom, contributing to personal growth and a more enriched life. Number 4. Replace negative addiction with exercise. Regular exercise improves overall health, enhances mood and energy levels, and increases longevity and positivity. Number 5. Replace fake friends with mentors. It's better to surround yourself with individuals who inspire and guide you towards personal growth. Do this, and watch how fast your life starts improving. Now, as you embark on this transformative journey, we want to hear from you. What habits are you committing to replace in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to greatness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content and hit that like button if you found this advice valuable. Join the 1111 Soul Magic community, and let's support each other on the path to personal growth and unstoppable success. Together, we can create a life that's truly magical.